Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how I transform myself from this to this. You can see how good I look afterwards, and then I'll teach you how I also style my hair. You can see this hair, I style it by myself. Oh, before I forgot, I took some pictures. You can see this 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 I took a lot of pictures afterwards. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. So to get started with, I have to moisten my hair with water, and you can see my shea butter. Now I'm gonna rub it all over my hair just to moisturize my hair and make it a little bit soft and ready for twisting. I'll go ahead and comb it up, starting from the tips. Then you can see my cutting comb. It wasn't easy, guys, but I did it. You can see I started off by parting it into smaller portions, and then I was twisting it gradually. I keep on twisting. Actually, I wasn't using a mirror, but I kept on twisting it in as much as I know I can twist. I knew I can make this. It was my first time trying to twist my hair by myself, and I think I did a great job. And if I can do it, you can also do it. Trying to grab the roots tightly so that it doesn't loosen on time. And you can see me twisting. However, the back side of the hair, you can see this particular hair, the first one I made, wasn't giving what I expected it to give, so I had to loosen it, and then I had to twist it back. And see me trying to do that. If you know how to twist someone's hair, you can actually make yours too, and I was happy I made it. I'll go ahead and continue parting it into smaller portions and keep on twisting. I'm going to leave the video now to just play all along until I get to the front part of the hair. So keep watching, don't go nowhere. At this point I was exhausted, but I have to do it. I can't do it, and I kept on doing it. And now this is the front part of the hair. Actually, you need a mirror. Yeah, you need a mirror for this job. To get this job done, you actually need a mirror. So I kept on parting it into block styles. Hopefully you know how to part into block style, but if you find it difficult to part it in block styles, you can actually go ahead and part it the way you like, or however you want it done. But I think this is the way I find it easier for me and faster. I was actually happy. I'm getting closer to the end of the hair. I don't know who told you that you cannot make your hair by yourself. You know, in this part of the world, it's funny though, but when you make your hair by yourself, when they want to tell you they have some strange powers, but actually I don't see it that way. I think it's just talent, you know. It's not everyone that can make their hair by themselves. And voila, I'm done with the hair. I'm still going to go ahead and moisten my hair again. Wow, now see my hair, it's all done by myself. Who is this person I'm looking at? You can see, just look at it, just take a look, you know. Now I'm going to style this hair. It's not just about twisting your hair. Sometimes when you twist the hair, it doesn't look good just carrying it all along that way, but you have to, when you style it, you see the beauty of this twisting. You can see the first style. I just styled it. Now I'm going to go ahead and style it another way. Just check it out. Okay. Wow, this is the second style. It doesn't end there, it doesn't end here. You can still go ahead and style it another way. This one I'm going to use my hair scarf to give it a style. I think this hair scarf brought out some beauty, extra beauty to this hairstyle. You see? Can you see that? What do you think about this one? This particular one? This was my favorite. Tell me in the comments which of these styles is your favorite. Go ahead and drop your comments. And that's it. There's another style there. This is also beautiful. You can just go ahead and try to pack the hair on different styles on your own terms, the way you like it, the way you prefer it, you know. The last but not the least. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give me a thumbs up and drop your opinion in the comments. Till I see you next time, bye for now.